Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to create a space in Twitter. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel. So firstly, you need to go Twitter homepage, and then you have to click here plus, and then you have to click here spaces, and then you have to give a name what is about. For example, if your space is about technology, and you write it on technology. If your space is food, and you have to write something what you like. For example, for me, tech and digital marketing, okay. And you have to click here, go back, and you will choose technology topics. You have to choose which is related to your channel and the social media or YouTube, okay. Anything you can add. If you want to add more, just choose, but you cannot select up to 3, okay. You can select only 3. So click here anything you like, okay. Just 3, you can select only 3, and then you have to click here save, okay. And then you will need to start your space. Before you start here, you can also click here the circle. You can click here, okay. So record space, or and then you have to click here start your space, okay. And I will already click here, and you will see it is a connecting, okay. And then here you can add anything, okay. You can invite to people who people will join as a if listener first, okay. For example, I can click here, and I can click them, okay. If I don't need them, just click again here, okay. And you have to start here arrow, okay. I click here, and I click and I start here. I just click here, then it will go to my spaces, okay. This is my host is a host, and the mic is not turn, the mic is off, okay. If you want to click, then you have to on, the mic is on, and then you can start, okay, here. And then okay, so now it's recording, okay. Now what I'm talking is recording, and you have to say, you have to publish, okay. Then people will listen what you are talking about, okay. What is your channel is talking about. If you talk about the tech, then people will join to your space, okay. Then you click here done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe now for more videos. Please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you.